exploring the legendary sounds of Carlos Santana, a journey through his musical mastery and timeless hits. Discover the incredible journey of a young boy from Jalisco, Mexico, who revolutionized the world of rock with his guitar. Carlos Santana's story is not just about music, but an inspiring tale of transformation and cultural fusion. Carlos Santana was born in 1947 in Jalisco, Mexico, where he was infused with the traditional sounds of Mexican music. His father was a mariachi violinist, which introduced young Santana to the world of melodies and rhythms at an early age. In the 1960s, Santana moved to San Francisco, a melting pot of musical innovation. It was here that he formed the Santana Blues Band. The band's dynamic blend of Latin rhythms and blues guitar quickly caught the attention of the burgeoning San Francisco music scene. Santana's big break came with a historic performance at Woodstock in 1969. Despite being relatively unknown at the time, his electric performance mesmerized the audience and catapulted him to stardom, securing his place in rock history. Santana was instrumental in pioneering the fusion of Latin American music with rock. By integrating elements like timbales and congas into rock, he created a unique sound that resonated with audiences worldwide, reshaping the musical landscape of the era. Discover the electrifying atmosphere of Woodstock as Carlos Santana took the stage, his guitar echoing through the crowd. This landmark performance not only elevated his career, but also marked a pivotal moment in music history, showcasing his revolutionary blend of rock and Latin rhythms. Santana's unique guitar style, characterized by its smooth, melodic overtones and fiery Latin influences, became his signature. His mastery is exemplified in his choice of instrument, the PRS Santana model, which helped craft the distinctive sounds that captivated millions. The hypnotic strains of Black Magic Woman weave through the air, followed by the energetic beats of Oye Como Va. These tracks, among Santana's biggest hits, played a crucial role in bringing Latin rock into the mainstream, enchanting audiences worldwide. Abraxas, Santana's 1970 masterpiece, broke barriers between genres, blending rock with blues and Latin music. The album's success was monumental, influencing an entire generation of musicians and earning a permanent place in the annals of rock history. Music experts often gather to dissect Santana's pioneering technique and the ethereal quality of his sound. His ability to integrate different styles seamlessly with rock not only defined his career, but also expanded the horizons of rock music itself. Carlos Santana's spiritual journey deeply influenced his music, incorporating elements of transcendence and inner peace. His beliefs in metaphysical themes are echoed in the serene and soulful melodies that have become his signature, creating a unique connection with his audience. Santana's collaborations with artists like Rob Thomas and Michelle Branch brought fresh sounds to his music repertoire. The hit Smooth with Rob Thomas was a chart-topping success, exemplifying his ability to blend rock with Latin and pop elements, reaching a new generation of listeners. Throughout his career, Santana has been recognized with numerous Grammy Awards, highlighting his profound impact on music. These accolades not only celebrate his innovative fusion of genres, but also his mastery in guitar playing and his influence in rock and Latin music. Santana played a pivotal role in bringing Latin rhythms into the mainstream rock scene. His introduction of congas, timbales, and other Latin instruments into rock music compositions helped popularize Latin rhythms among a broader audience, altering the landscape of rock music. Even decades into his career, Santana continues to be a formidable force in the music industry. His ability to stay relevant is demonstrated through his ongoing tours, new music releases, and his consistent influence on new artists and listeners alike. Carlos Santana's influence extends beyond the realm of seasoned musicians. He has inspired a new generation of guitarists. His blend of rock and Latin music, combined with his unique guitar sound, has become a blueprint for aspiring artists seeking to carve out their own musical identity. Through his philanthropic efforts, Santana has made an indelible mark off stage as well. His Milagro Foundation, established in 1998, supports underprivileged children in the areas of education, health, and the arts, showcasing his commitment to giving back to the community. Santana's entrepreneurial spirit has led him into ventures that transcend music. He's launched a line of women's shoes and several restaurants, expanding his brand while maintaining his artistic spirit in each business endeavor. The release of Supernatural marked a significant comeback for Santana. This album not only won multiple Grammy Awards, but also introduced him to a whole new generation of listeners, thanks to hits like Smooth, featuring Rob Thomas. Smooth not only topped the charts, but also left a lasting cultural impact. The song's blend of rock and Latin sounds captured the essence of Santana's style, making it a defining piece of late 90s music history and a perennial radio favorite. Carlos Santana's music resonates deeply with fans around the globe. Many share personal tales of how tracks like Maria Maria and Smooth provided solace during tough times or became backdrops to joyous moments, illustrating his profound impact beyond the music charts. Santana's live performances are an electrifying experience, where he showcases his virtuosity and deep connection with the audience. His concerts are more than just musical events. They are spiritual gatherings that leave attendees inspired and uplifted, transcending traditional rock concerts. Inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1998, Santana's recognition was a testament to his innovative blend of rock and Latin sounds that revolutionized music. This honor highlighted his role in shaping modern music and his enduring influence. Santana continues to innovate and inspire with projects like the album Africa Speaks. This album dives into African rhythms, showcasing his relentless pursuit of musical exploration and his ability to blend different cultural sounds seamlessly into his work. His influence on younger guitarists is unmistakable. Many artists cite Santana as a key inspiration, admiring his melodic style and emotional expression. His legacy is evident in how he has paved the way for a more diverse sound in rock and guitar playing. Carlos Santana's music has consistently received critical acclaim throughout the decades, reflecting his ability to blend genres and cultures seamlessly. His innovative style has been praised for its emotional depth and technical precision, often cited as a revolutionary force in rock and Latin music. Rare footage and photographs of Santana capture his evolution from a young talent in Tijuana to a world-renowned guitarist. These visuals not only chronicle his musical journey, but also highlight his personal growth and the changing styles of the times. Santana's legacy in world music is profound. He has not only pioneered the fusion of rock with Latin American sounds, but also influenced countless musicians across genres. His career is a testament to the power of innovation and cross-cultural unity in music. Reflecting on Carlos Santana's journey from playing on the streets of Mexico to achieving global superstardom offers a powerful narrative of perseverance and artistic integrity. His story inspires musicians and fans alike, emphasizing the universal language of music. If you're inspired by the incredible journey of Carlos Santana, subscribe to the Music Educator channel for more amazing music stories. This call to action encourages viewers to delve deeper into the stories of musical legends and their impacts on the world.